Díagwit, agus fáilte Rash. This video is coming from Dublin City because I'm up here enjoying a few days holidays, so I thought it would be a good opportunity to make a video while I'm here. Tá mé in Maile á Chlia. I am in Dublin. Tá mé in Maile á Chlia. The Irish for city is Cahir, and Ilar na Carach is in the city centre, which is where I am. Ilar na Carach. Is Baile á Chlia, Príomh Cahir na hÉireann. Dublin is the capital city of Ireland. Is Baile á Chlia, Príomh Cahir na hÉireann. Tá an Cahir beo le tuairisóirí. The city is alive with tourists. Tá an Cahir beo le tuairisóirí. Tá an siopadóireacht go maith in Maile á Chlia. The shopping is good in Dublin. Tá an siopadóireacht go maith in Maile á Chlia. I'm here outside Epic, the Irish Emigration Museum. This is a wonderful place that charts the history and journey of Irish emigrants down through the ages, and it's a great place to visit if you're on holiday in Dublin. The Irish for museum is Irsmillan, and the Irish for emigration is Immercha. Rinne a lán daoine Immercha go America. A lot of people emigrated to America. Rinne a lán daoine Immercha go America. An tain chance a bhí ann ná dul ar Immercha. Their only chance was to emigrate, or the best chance they had in life was to emigrate. An tain chance a bhí ann ná dul ar Immercha. And three words I would use to describe this place would be spatial, which is interesting, ólasach, which is informative, ólasach, and spragul, which is inspirational, spragul. I'm here outside Croke Park, which is the spiritual home of the Gaelic Athletic Association. This is where the ancient and iconic games of hurling and Gaelic football are played each year. The Irish for Croke Park is Park an Chrokic, and the Irish for the Gaelic Athletic Association is An Cumann Lucas Gael. An Cumann Lucas Gael. Croke Park is a stadium, and Stad is the Irish for stadium. Stad. Tá mé ag dul ar turas go Park an Chrokic. I'm going on a tour of Croke Park. Tá mé ag dul ar turas go Park an Chrokic. Tá áit faoi le ag Park an Chrokic I stair na pell agus amana. Croke Park has a special place in the history of football and hurling. Tá áit faoi le ag Park an Chrokic I stair na pell agus amana. And one great word to describe this place would be starúil, which is historic. Starúil. It's been a great trip to Dublin. I've seen plenty of sights and I've done a bit of shopping. I've really enjoyed myself. Hatton sé go mór liom. I've really enjoyed myself. Hatton sé go mór liom. But now it's time to go home. Ach inis time ag dul abhaile. But now I'm going home. Ach inis time ag dul abhaile. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section about some of your travels as Gaeilge. Many thanks, and I will see you soon. Míle buíochas agus slán tamaill.